Okay, so this is the SAC, Session Access Control Machine that we've built, and this is customized for Novell. You can see that they've got these stands that they've used for several years. It houses and locks the laptop, and it looks great. They've got the schedule for the day listed up here, and then if you scan in or zoom in here on the screen for the SAC, for the screen that's here, this shows you all kinds of information about this particular session that's going on. It shows you the session time, so it goes from 11 to 12:15. It shows you the entrance time, so you can change the entrance time to allow or disallow people to come in certain times before the event or before the session, and up to certain, the duration of the event. It depends. Sometimes people will cut people off, 15 minutes into the session, or they'll allow people to check in earlier. It just depends on the business rules that are set up. Shows a preview of the badge, and then a reminder to take the session surveys, which if you saw on the desktop. It kind of gives you an overview of the session. In here you can see the capacity is 100. There's 12 attended. There's lots of seats remaining. It's Friday. The event's almost over, and so there's a lot of people that have skipped out at this point. But it says please scan your event badge, same as everywhere else. If I scan this guy, it will admit me, give me a green circle to say that I've been admitted. And there's a couple of different business rules around this. When it shows green, you're good to go. You can go in. You can do session access control, which is a little bit more. You can put some rules on top of this to not allow people, maybe if they have to sign an NDA or something like that to actually attend the session. It would flash red, and then the attendant would disallow that person, or yellow if the wait list, like the capacity had been met and you are actually on the wait list. Then the attendant would say, hey, can you step aside and wait until 5 minutes, 10 minutes into the session, and then they would let everybody on the wait list into the session. So that's the SAC machine, and again, it's integrated with the desktop, it's integrated with surveys. So once you scan into a session, then it automatically detects and knows which surveys to present you with on the desktop. So that's our SAC machine.